Rahman Rahim. Dear students, today we will describe the graphic picture of the solar eclipse. In the morning, the people reached the rocky place to observe the solar eclipse. The writer was also a member of the party who had gathered to watch the eclipse. The people were anxious to observe this strange sight. The sun rose up, there was light, there appeared clouds in the sky. Soon they rose up, and the trees, hills, houses, and valleys were not seen. The sun seemed running a race through the clouds. It hid behind the clouds, but soon it reappeared. It seemed that they were playing the game of hide and seek. The people saw it through their glasses in the form of a crescent. The eclipse was to continue for 24 seconds only. When the time for the eclipse came near, the people held out their watches and began to look towards the sky. The sun fought against the clouds many times, but the clouds seemed succeeding each time. All the colors on the earth underwent a strange change. The blue turned purple, the white changed into livid, and the pink went green. Cold also increased. People were despaired. They turned their attention from the sun to the ground. The clouds thickened and muffled the speed of the sun. Everything came to a standstill. The flesh and blood of the world was dead. The hustle and bustle of life stopped. Now the eclipse was at its extreme. They realized the importance of the sun. They realized that the colors could be blown out and the universe might turn into a dead being. Then we stand on a dead leaf. The writer realizes that all the colors, lights of the world is due to the sun. If the sun is there in the sky, everything is present. If the sun disappears, there is no beauty and life on the earth. We come to realize that without light, everything is dark and dull, but with light, everything regains life and activity. Thanks.